What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about Fruity Scratcher. It brings you some cool sample sauce. Let's get right into it. So to get Fruity Scratcher, you can search it up or go to more plugins. We're going to search it up by pressing F8 and just searching Fruity Scratcher. Okay, here it is. We can just click and drag it into one of the insert slots. Now we're going to want to drag a melody into it. So I got one of these melodies from Cymatics, just a lo-fi melody. Okay, so you can click this button to make it larger, but essentially this is going to sound bad, but we can move this around and get scratches. It's going to sound very high pitched though, so be warned. Move that around. That is, and I don't know if I'd want to do that for this particular sample just because of how high pitched it is, but there's some other cool stuff we can do. So if we just hit play, play forward or reverse. Also got a speed knob up here, acceleration, and sensitivity. So we'll mess with this while it's playing. You also got some smooth knobs up here that you can mess with, and then panning and volume. Very simple. That's already a nice vibe just by messing with it a little bit. Now you can get really creative. You can record all of this into Edison too. So if you get some really cool scratches and stuff, you could just record it into Edison. To get to Edison, you just click these little scissor button up here, and here it is. You could just click this record button right here and then hit play and start manipulating this, and you can record it into Edison and get some cool samples. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.